What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another freaking banger video for you guys. All right, today I got a special project that I think you guys are gonna like. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Okay, take a look at this sexy beast right here. The bike that you guys are looking at today is called the Schwinn Stringray. This is actually a limited edition Orange County Choppers bike. The cool thing about this bike, right? Check out the rear tire. Guess what size the rear tire is on this bike? You're right, you guessed it. It's a 20 by 4 inch fat tire. And guess what bike we have that's a 20 by 4 inch fat tire? The Electric XP. I came up with a crazy idea. I'm going to transfer all of my electrical stuff, motor, battery, controller, throttle, screen, all that. I'm gonna transfer it to this bike. The reason why I'm gonna do it is because I actually ordered an upgraded kit for my Electric XP, and I'm not gonna have a use for it. So I saw this bike online and I had to get it. I think it's gonna be perfect. That's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be converting this into an electric chopper bike. First thing that we're gonna do with the bike, we're gonna pressure wash it. Super dirty, but I believe that the bike is gonna look super clean once we get all this dirt off. Everything on the bike actually works, so let's go ahead and pressure wash it. Dude, look at the red. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Look at how the red is popping in the sun. Look at that fender. You see that? Come over here on my side. Oh my God. That is pretty. So we just finished pressure washing the bike, but we noticed that there was like little tiny speckles, dirt, or whatever it might be.
I think it's rust.
Rust. So we're gonna use a 2000 grit sandpaper and some alcohol and lightly just sand a little bit and see if we can get some of the rust speckles on. Look at that. That's just pure rust. So here is the finished bike. Not finished as an e-bike, but finished as a bike. Look how clean it is though. Come on, check out the chrome. Oh my God. Now I was contemplating on you know, painting this, you know, a custom color, but dude, this thing is intact. Check out the red. Oh my God. So yeah, I think it's time to convert this joint, so let's get into it. All right guys, we're about to take everything off of my Electric XP. So that includes the throttle, display, the control panel. We're gonna take out the controller. Controller is inside of here. Take off this battery mount, and then we're gonna take off the rear rim, and then we're gonna transfer everything over there. So let's go ahead and start taking things off. Here's the controller. We just snatched it out of the bike. I ended up labeling the different connectors just to make it easier when we put it on the chopper. But yeah, that's the controller. Now we're moving on to taking off this battery. And for everybody that was wondering how I mounted the battery on top, I didn't screw it with these holes. We actually just used some super strong 3M double-sided tape. You guys can see it right there. The unfortunate thing is it's super hard to get off. It's really strong. So we're gonna try a little old school technique and see if we can get this battery tray off. So here. That's where the first bit is. And just kind of boom. Here's the battery tray. That's the adhesive. We didn't actually scratch the bike, don't worry. But yeah, we just took it off. So now we're gonna move on to this puppy right here. Check out Leticia, guys. She just had gastric bypass surgery, and she lost a little weight. She's a regular bike now. If we just added a regular fat tire, she would be a regular bike. I might do it. Leave a like or leave a comment if you guys want me to ride this as a regular bike. Now we're gonna transfer everything onto this bike. Let's go ahead and bring it in the garage. We just put the electric XP motor rim on this bike. We had to take off the disc brake because this bike doesn't have a disc brake. It has the V brake, which should be fine, hopefully. I don't know. So no disc brake. And then on this side, we left the 7-speed Shimano, whatever it's called, freewheel. We left that on there. This bike was actually a single speed, but I didn't have the proper tool to take this off, so we just put it on one of the rings, and it's aligned pretty well, as you guys can see. So it should work fine. But yeah, motor's on. Now we're just moving on to mounting the battery. We're gonna mount it up top because unfortunately this battery is too big to fit in the triangle down there. So this is how it's gonna look, but it's gonna look like a little tiny like gas tank or something, I don't know. And then we're gonna mount the controller somewhere in here. So we're just mocking it up right now. All right guys, we're gonna mount this exactly how we mounted this on my electric XP. We're just gonna use the double-sided 3M tape. So right now I'm just wiping this off with alcohol, making sure that the surface is clean. You don't want any dirt on there. And we're just gonna put some tape right down the middle because this isn't flat like my electric XP. It's kind of rounded, so we literally just need to put it right in the middle. This double-sided tape is not your average double-sided tape. Super strong, and once you put it on there, it's gonna be locked in. So make sure it's aligned right. It's locked on there. So for the controller, we're gonna put little tiny pieces of 3M tape right over these little circles. Boom and boom. So we got 3M tape here. We're going to mount this right underneath the controller right here. Boom. So we're gonna mount it right here. And then we're gonna zip tie it. Now this is just like a temporary thing because I actually ordered a controller bag. So we're gonna place this inside the controller bag and then just mount the controller bag on here. It's gonna look way cleaner, but for the time being, just to get it up and running, that's how we're gonna do this. Guys, check out the controller. Super clean. It's gonna look even cleaner once we actually get the bag that I ordered. It should be coming on Monday. But yeah, check it out. Got the rear motor, we got the battery mounted, we got the controller mounted. Now I just gotta do the dashboard, just put on the throttle, the screen, and the control panel, and then just connect all the wires, and we're gonna have a working e-bike, guys. I'm super excited. Now, I'm not gonna lie, your boy can't actually fit on this because I am 6'4". This bike is made for like a teenager, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna have my fun with it. One thing that I'm gonna need to do eventually is change out these handlebars because my knees actually hit these. We're gonna go with like a ape hanger, but for now, it's gonna be rideable and it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned, let's get into it. Guys, it's the moment of truth. Your boy connected every single wire. I know it looks messy. We're gonna clean it up, but we connected every single wire. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Boom. Let's go ahead and turn on the screen. Boom, we have power, guys. Look at him. Let's go ahead and turn the pedal assist up, even though we don't have pedal assist. And let's twist that throttle. Woo! Look, it's rubbing. All right, so I'm noticing something already. This brake cable is rubbing, so we need to slide that tire back. But yeah, we got a working e-bike. Let's go. Just for the time being, I just taped up the wires just so they're not just going everywhere and touching. I did order a controller bag, which should be coming in a couple of days. I'm gonna put that on there. We need a torque arm because we don't want this wheel to come out. It's good, but I won't be doing like 35 miles per hour on this. I did order a torque arm, so that'll be coming. But yeah, the bike is done. I'm gonna hop on it and just do like a little ride around in the backyard. And then once everything actually comes, like the torque arm and the controller bag, I'll do another video of like a real ride of this bike. But check her out. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Do you like it? Would you ride it? Let's get on it. Let's see how crazy I look on it. All right, guys, here's the first ride of the bike. We're just gonna take it around the backyard. Like I said earlier, I'm clearly too big for this joint. I'm 6'4", this is made for like a little teenager. But we just want to have fun, and we're a big kid. You ready? Here we go. Oh, wow. Good? Feels good? I'm not gonna lie, the brakes ain't working. Look at it, it's just a beauty. Look at our testicles, we got testicles here. All right. But yeah, here's the bike. Like I said, we have more to do. Stay tuned for future updates on this bike. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit the like button one time for your boy. That's the end of the joint. Until the next one, deuces like that.